Hi there, my name's Chris and I've recently downloaded a copy of Luminar 4 and have been playing with it, and I thought it might be useful to record a video about the AI sky replacement tool and file management, specifically how to change the skies available in the drop-down menu and how to reflect skies that came pre-packaged with the program. Bear in mind I'm on a Windows 10 machine, but I assume the principles described here can be applied similarly on a Mac. So let's go to Luminar 4. Here we have a file where we want to replace the sky. So click on Sky Selection, and these are the 29 files that come pre-packaged, and I'm going to choose Sunset Clouds 1. Now that's fine for this purpose. Now we want to reflect this, and we're told that we can't do it because we don't have access to the file. But that isn't true. Let's go over to Windows Explorer. What you need to do is go to your PC, then onto Windows C drive, Program Files Skylum Luminar 4 Profiles, and there you'll see a folder called SkyTextures. If you click on it, you'll see those are the 29 files, sky files that come pre-packaged. So what you need to do is to copy this folder to somewhere else. Right click, in this case I'm dragging it to my desktop, let go and go on copy here, and there you see we have another copy of the SkyTextures folder. So now we can go back to Luminar 4, click on layers, add a new image layer, and we'll see it opens in the SkyTextures folder on the desktop. We use Sunset Clouds 1, so click on that and it will load as an image layer. Now of course, because it was a fairly short file, it's got stretched, so we need to transform it and pull it down so that it fits to the horizon. There we go. Then we need to flip it vertically and click done. I'm now going to change the blend mode to colour. That of course doesn't look very good because the way the layer interacts, so we'll need to mask out the bits we don't want. So change to 100% opacity, click on erase, and then we'll remove that top layer where we don't want to. I'm not going to spend a great deal of time doing inaccurate masking, just to show the general principles here. And left arrow key to make it small, and we'll remove the sky layer from the buildings and the beach, etc. Take it off the beach, off the boats. That's near enough. Check the mask, do a slightly better job, but I say I'm not going to worry too much about real accuracy here. That'll do. Click the mask and click done, and then of course we need to reduce the opacity to make it more realistic, down to around 50%, maybe slightly less, and there we go. So you can see a before and after, and if you turn off the duplicate layer you can see the reflection in the water. So that's how you can reflect a sky that came pre-packaged with Luminar 4. We're now going to go back, restore the original image, and now I'm going to show you how to add further skies to the sky replacement tool. So we go back to Explorer, and you'll see we're targeting SkyTextures. I'm on the desktop. You see I've got a file called redsky.jpg. So copy that into SkyTextures. You'll need administrator permissions to do that. So now we've copied it into the SkyTextures folder in the Luminar program folder. We'll need to close Luminar and reopen it so it'll register that new file. We just wait for it to reload. We click on sky replacement, sky selection, and there you'll see we now have red sky in the menu. So we'll click on that. Boom, there it is. Not exactly realistic, but it makes the point. So this will show you how you can add or remove skies from the drop-down menu. You could delete some or all of the pre-packaged ones if you want, although I recommend you keep a copy in case you want to restore them, and then you can add your own skies by copying them into that SkyTextures folder. I've added up to 50 files and it's registered them all, although the menu does become overlong, but it won't register files if you have them in a subfolder. They have to be in the SkyTextures folder. So there we go. Hopefully that's been useful in changing the file management for the sky replacement tool. I hope to be able to record some further videos when I've found other useful things about the program. And in the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.